All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is the crypto takeover coming back once again with another market cipher update video. Today we are going over the altcoin BAT, basic attention token, which is the Brave browser token that is used to tip creators, but also being able to browse the web securely with the Brave browser and get paid to view ads. So, as y'all know, Google has been our main source of ads, and it's kind of annoying sometimes to see all those ads and everything. So, what Brave browser does is it allows you to opt out of ads being shown while you're browsing the web. And I use it on a regular basis now. The adoption part of me going to Brave browser, it wasn't like all of a sudden, but I downloaded it, started to navigate around in it. And actually, the creator of it is the same creator that also developed um, Mozilla Firefox. And I was a big fan of Firefox, to be honest. And then I started to move towards Google Chrome, and it kind of slowed the computer down a little bit. It was a little bit more boggier. And then just Google had a bad reputation about storing data, this and that, tracking you, and so ever since Brave browser has been released, I've been using that, and it's pretty freaking awesome. So literally, I'll kind of show you, but here you can block certain pop-ups and shield yourself from cross-site trackers. Connections and upgrades, certain scripts. So I pretty much have it on all the time. And if something pops up on the screen saying that it uses like Flash Player or something like that, obviously you have to disable it. So you literally just click the disable button here, and then it refreshes the page, and then you can access what you need to access like a regular web browser as well too. Very cool features. I encourage all y'all to check it out. I do have a link down in the description below for it, and that's just a link that you can use that is for uh, affiliate purposes. But this was a highly requested coin through my Telegram group, so I do have a Telegram group. If y'all are interested in joining that too, y'all can click the link down in the description below, and it's consistently growing. So is the channel, y'all. I'm really impressed, and I just want to thank y'all that y'all are being supportive. And really, there's no like bad vibes on the channel or anything. It's all really good people. So I just want to say thank y'all for tuning into the live streams, and consistently being there for support. Um, I'm ready to see the channel grow, and we're going to be doing a lot more things too. I'm doing the giveaway still at 500 subs, so if you are interested in that Ledger Nano S giveaway, you just need to be signed up for the newsletter at cryptotakeover.io. First link down in the description below too. And at 500 subs, I'll be announcing the winner of that, and you'll have your chance to also win other giveaways that I do in the future if you get signed up there too. So I'm doing another giveaway at 1,000 subs. I'll probably do maybe like a crypto, maybe like Litecoin, Bcash, or Bitcoin or something like that, to your wallet address as well. So I haven't really decided how much it's going to be yet, but it'll probably be, I think I'll do like a $50 giveaway or something like that. That sounds reasonable. Um, so yeah, thanks for all the support, y'all. Go ahead and just like the videos, comment, tell me what your favorite altcoin is, tell me what y'all want me to go over, what you think might look good for the channel, and then also hit the subscribe notification bell. That way y'all can be updated whenever I do a live stream. I'm trying to do live streams every day, and and I think people like it as well. So hopefully y'all are gonna stick around a little bit. So we're gonna get into basic attention token, okay? And with basic attention token, we're gonna check out and see where it is on the coin of the market cap. So let's just refresh this page here, see what's happening in the coin market cap arena. Okay, if it'll ever load. We'll get there. But hey, y'all, also, I did start up a Patreon, so I'm doing my private video sections in there, and it's really just private premium membership group to the team, to the crypto takeover team, as well as what I am really doing for myself to take hedge in this environment and to take hedge against the financial sector of the world too, because we all know that trillions of dollars in debt does not does not equal a good livelihood for a lot of people. So we have to figure out how we can strive to kind of get ahead and to help others out as well too. And that's really what the crypto takeover Patreon is for. It's so that we can really just kind of have other ideas and other investments too. And I've already done one post in there talking about my two favorite altcoins and what I'm heavily accumulating right now in my favorite altcoins. So check it out, y'all. Y'all can click that link down in the description below and help support the channel in the Patreon group. So we're going to check out BAT and see where it's at right now. Basic attention token. Okay, here we go. And the two favorite altcoins, I haven't even done reviews on them just yet. So you know, I'm sure I'm not really gonna lay it out there because I kind of want to leave it for the Patreon group. But at the same time, if I do get around to it, I'll definitely let y'all know. My Patreon group is definitely gonna be the first people to hear about some of the things that I have going on, and I'm involved with a lot of other crypto groups in general that are paid for, and so I just want to relay some of those messages to y'all too. Um, but being that I also pay for the group, you know, I want to make sure that I'm adding enough value to the Patreon so that that way y'all can get the most out of it too as well. So basic attention token ranked 32 on coin of the market caps, right? Circulating supply about 1 billion coins. Perfect. Total supply 15 or 1 billion 5 million. So very interesting, but I think we saw a basic attention token get all the way up to, let's see, when it was like first coming out, like 42 cents, 50 cents. So about 50 cents, right? And that's definitely achievable again. So right now I'm looking at the weekly chart. It still looks like we're kind of in a wanting to go into a downwards trend. Honestly, if we take a look here, it does look like we're gonna try and have like a descending channel as well, like Bitcoin's kind of forming right now. But we did have a nice spike up to about 30 cents here recently. And so what I'm doing is I'm browsing the web. I'm accumulating that as I browse the web, right? Every time that you see a little ad that pops up in the bottom right hand corner, I'll click it. I'll receive basic attention token at the end of the month. And so I'm slowly accumulating this as I browse the web, which is it's pretty freaking cool. It's like basically another way of earning passive income as well. And if y'all are interested in that, I do have the crypto tab browser. You can mine Bitcoin straight from your web browser, and that link is down in the description below. Super cool passive income idea if you're interested in that too. And so that just really allows you to browse the web but also get paid, and it's kind of interesting. So the more you browse, you can hook it up. You can hook up your private key to another computer. Um, and also be able to use that same wallet to accumulate more BAT token too. So our weekly still looks like we're kind of like wanting to go into a downwards channel a little bit here. And then let's take a look at our 6-day. We'll just kind of go down on the chart. Still kind of in a downwards angle. I think our 3-day, let's check out our daily real quick, see what's happening. So our daily, a lot of movement to the downside, putting in some green dots, but then getting rejected again. And this is when we were at about 30 cents, yeah. So we've been, ever since we hit 30 cents, I mean, I remember when it went up to 30 cents and I was like, oh man, that's awesome. Like that's doing well, you know? But I didn't take my BAT to the exchange or whatever. What I'm curious about is the next bull run for BAT, because if we go back up to 30 cents, I mean 50 cents of where we were at. Um, and we were at 50 cents in April of 2019. So that's also a nice area to be in. But I definitely feel like BAT is one of those coins that's gonna do pretty well. Uh, Honestly, I could see it for sure going to $1 at some time. And if we're slowly accumulating by browsing the web, and that's honestly a pretty good way of accumulating this coin. If you're not interested in actually putting money into it, then browse the web, and you can start earning that way too. It's pretty awesome, and you can tip your content creators. I've already signed up as a content creator with Brave, with the Brave browser, so you can actually tip in BAT to certain content creators as well, and they'll appear a little tip jar right underneath the YouTube video or on Twitter. So pretty interesting. Uh, but yeah, it looks like our 2 day here is finally putting in a green dot as well. Quite a lot of bullish divergence happening here on our 2 day, which is pretty interesting. That's cool. I like that. And then what we're gonna want to see here is it does look like we're kind of forming like a little bit of a doji candle here on our 2 day, and we kind of just want to see this rounded bottom here as well. So that could definitely be kind of like a little bit of a rounded bottom to then kind of send us up a little bit. Our 3 day doesn't have a green dot just yet, but what it kind of looks like it wants to happen is maybe come down to retest like 15 cents possibly, 15, 16 cents, and then start to curve our way down here, kind of in a essential like double bottom or cup and handle formation as well. Our 4 day still looks like it has some room to the downside as well. And so, crypto is just in a weird area right now. So we have to understand that too. It's in an area where it's kind of just being bogged down. People are starting to lose interest. The bears are starting to come out, second guessing themselves. Is this really the space I want to be in? Is it going to be around for a while? Da 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 da. And that's supposed to happen during the bear market. It's supposed to happen during bear markets. People are going to be second guessing themselves. I should have never done this. I should have never done that. Da 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 da. And the sentiment is going to be like that for a while, to be honest. I think that the way BTC is looking right now, uh, it could range out for a while uh, like that. So here on our weekly, it does still look like we have some room to the downside. And that's pretty much all the data that we do have right now. So I was looking at the daily and the 2 day. It does look like we kind of want to start to round a little bit. So probably in an accumulation spot right now for BAT, but then could possibly see some more downward trend. But if anything, this token allows you to make the passive income and to get paid an easier way than to just invest, and to use money that you have on the side to just put it in to a coin to invest in. It's pretty cool. So what y'all want to do is y'all want to check it out for sure. So check that link down in the description below. I'll put it at the top so that way y'all can find it pretty easily. Yeah, and then our like I said, our 2 day is looking pretty bullish. Definitely looking like it wants to come out of this trend here. So we could see some nice movement to the upside. I would say maybe around 20 cents possibly. We could see it go back up to 20 cents. I would say 20 cents is a likelihood, and then maybe just consolidate around there, and then possibly come back down to retest maybe 16, 15 cents. So just keep that in mind, y'all. As well as BTC right now, it's kind of looking like it wants to make a move to the upside based on the 12-hour chart, and I can try and do an update on that as well. But I did want to knock out this BAT video for y'all and just get this done because it was a high interest inside of our Telegram group. So I'm doing polls and updates inside the Telegram group as well, staying engaged with everyone. Also, I do have a Discord server, so y'all want to be signed up for that. I have a bunch of different channels in here, a bunch of different categories, but I do like to update and keep everyone posted on what's going on if I'm live or um, have any questions or people have questions for me, they can mention me in there and then I'll get back with them. So a cool way to stay in communication with me and also share with the community as well. And so if y'all are interested in TradingView, y'all can check out TradingView. It's a great way to start charting and start looking at charts. I have the Pro package, the Pro Plus, and my girlfriend's helping me out with it. So if y'all do click that link and sign up for TradingView, y'all will be helping her out as well too. And then if you're interested in leverage trading, you can get signed up with Bybit and that affiliate link down in the description below. But please use testnet first. Contact customer support after you signed up. Ask them how to access the testnet and start learning how to trade using testnet first. Please get your algorithm down in the testnet first. I have the Brave browser affiliate link as well. And y'all can message me on Twitter if y'all want or however y'all want to do it. And yeah, with that being said, y'all, that I'm highly interested in it. I love the Brave browser. The Brave browser is freaking awesome, and I encourage y'all to check it out as well too. So with that being said, y'all, thanks for tuning in again. Comment down below. Tell me, are y'all using Brave browser yet? Have you thought about it? What's keeping you from using it? If you're not, and keep accumulating that BAT token, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I'll see y'all next time.